Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, Trading Critique. Ever heard of a meme coin that wasn't created by a person, but by AI? Welcome to Turbo Coin, a cryptocurrency born from an AI-powered experiment and aiming to reshape the meme coin landscape. But is it just another meme coin riding the hype train? Or is there something truly different here? Stick with me till the end to find out how Turbo Coin blends AI and decentralization into a unique crypto project. So, what's the deal with Turbo Coin? It all started in April 2023 when an artist named Rhett Mankind wanted to test how far artificial intelligence could take a meme coin idea. He challenged GPT-4, with a $69 budget. This little experiment took off in a way nobody expected. The AI helped Rhett outline the tokenomics, branding, and even launch strategies. And guess what? The result was Turbo Coin, now a fully decentralized, meme-powered project. Let's talk tokenomics, because this is where Turbo Coin stands out. Turbo's total supply is set at 69 billion tokens. Nice, right? Now, unlike many meme coins with confusing taxes or hidden fees, Turbo has zero transaction taxes. Not only that, ownership of the contract has been transferred, which means no central authority controls the token anymore. Everything from governance to future developments is now community-driven. The idea here is to build trust through decentralization and let the holders have the final say. Turbo Coin is built on the Ethereum blockchain, making it compatible with most wallets and platforms. But beyond just being a meme coin, Turbo has created its own micro-ecosystem. For example, Turbo Toad's NFT collection. These are quirky, AI-generated NFTs inspired by the Turbo mascot, ready to hop into the metaverse. Community governance. Turbo holders can vote on project decisions and influence future updates. This decentralized governance ensures every decision reflects the community's wishes. Merch shop. You can get your hands on Turbo-branded merch, from frog-themed hoodies to stickers. The merch shop contributes to community expansion by spreading awareness. But let's be real. Turbo is still a meme coin, and meme coins are no stranger to volatility. Like all speculative investments, its value is driven primarily by market sentiment. If the hype dies down, so could the coin's value. But if the community stays active, Turbo has the potential to hold long-term value. Also, Turbo doesn't have many real-world use cases outside of its ecosystem. This makes it more suitable for short-term trading strategies or as a bet on community-driven growth, rather than a long-term, fundamental investment. So, what's the bottom line? Turbo Coin might not be the next Bitcoin, but it's not just another pump-and-dump meme coin either. With AI-driven origins, zero fees, a growing community, and a governance-focused ecosystem, Turbo is carving out a niche in the meme coin space. If you're looking for an AI-backed crypto project with a bit of humor, Turbo Coin could be worth a closer look. That's a wrap on Turbo Coin. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Trading Critique, and let me know in the comments. Are you planning to buy Turbo Coin, or are you staying away from meme coins altogether? See you in the next one.